Right, 5.5, Lake Terrace Land Exchange. Mr. Nigel.
Good afternoon.
Caddy.
Bit of a double act today.
And Dennis.
Right, Dennis.
Okay. I was just trying to work out where this land is. But anyway.
Yes, thank you, Chair. I'll just take the item as read, but in terms of figuring out where the land is, you'll see there should have been a schedule attached.
Yeah, there is.
Yep, so...
Looks like about made in 1942.
Yeah. How would you describe where exactly the land is, Dennis?
Waipihi Avenue.
Still on the corner.
It's just on the corner opposite the white timeshare. I just can't remember what the name of the Lake Edge timeshare. So it's on the other side, on the left-hand side, just past the resort. Over that,
Lakeland Motoring.
Yeah, just south of Lakeland Motoring.
Right, okay, sorry. The Waipihi thing was confusing me because I thought it was Waipihi Avenue. Yeah.
So Mr. Lewis knows, I guess he was involved in this earlier on than I, so I've been liaising with the property group and formalising a document to achieve what the property owner has asked the council to do. And at its most basic, that is to facilitate an exchange of land between the council and the adjoining property owner. So there is an advantage to the council in rationalising the current boundaries. There is a small section of the roadway, if I'm right, which encroaches on the existing property owner's title. And at the same time, there is a portion of legal road which the council has no use for anymore in terms of the functioning of Lake Terrace. So it's an opportunity to rationalise those two situations and for the council to receive some valuable consideration for the land it's exchanging, and it's been supported by an independent valuation. Any questions?
Possibly normally we'd do a site visit on this, but I don't know whether the councillors are happy with this approving. There's been an independent evaluation.
Yes.
Your recommendation is to do it.
Yes.
There's an advantage to the council.
That's correct. Yes, there's a $60,000 advantage to the council, and it's land that the council doesn't need for the road.
Okay.
Just to check, because it's hard to get a picture without actually being there. What has driven the owner to request the swap? What was the catalyst for this?
The owners saw the desire to be able to acquire that land to develop their two sections.
And he couldn't otherwise?
Oh, they could.
Yeah.
It's just providing additional land.
Yeah, I'm just trying to get my head around whether there are any consequences of doing this swap apart from money. I'm just trying to...
My mind just draws me back to an incident in Acacia Bay when we had a land swap situation on the basically turned to...
Yeah, through the chair, I was going to mention that with the Taupo situation with Councillor Hickling, very wise man, brought it to our attention a couple of years ago.
So Dennis, through you, Your Worship, this is just road reserve?
That's correct.
So, and it's no longer, it's not used as a road at the moment, it's just, yeah, okay.
No, in fact, the owner of Lot 6, they've got a garage on the south, to be the northwestern corner, and they tend to drive along that strip into that garage.
Okay. And the yellow little bit is private land that's been converted into council.
That's correct.
Yeah.
That piece of yellow land there is encroaches over the footpath and berm.
Okay. I'll move the suggested resolution, Your Worship.
Okay, everyone else happy? Been moved by Councillor Hickling, seconded by Councillor Rankin. All those in favour, please say aye.
Aye.
Against? Carried.